Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. In the last session, we have learned multiplication on number line and we have completed exercise 5b. Today onwards, we are going to learn how to write multiplication table. Okay students? For that, you have to open page number 75. On page number 75, there is multiplication table 1 to 5. Here, multiplication table 1 to 5. So, we are learning how to build a multiplication table. Okay. Count and build the table of 1. So, here is toy tower. Okay. This tower, 1 only is there. So 1 added 1 time. In 1 time 1 is equal to 1. Same way here it has taken 2 times. So 1 plus 1, this is repeated addition, and 1 added 2 times. See, 2 times 1 has taken here. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then third time, see, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times it has repeated. So 1 added 3 times. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Next one we'll see 1 taken 4 times. So here 1 added 4 times. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Here you have to write 4. Okay. Next we'll see fifth number. 1 has taken 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So 1 added 5 times means 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Next, 1 added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 added 6 times. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. Next one we'll see 1 added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 times. So 1 added 7 times. 7 into 1, there is 7. Next one, 1 added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 added 8 times. So 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. Next one, 1 added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 added 9 times is giving 9 times 1 is equal to 9. And here the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 added 10 times. 10 times 1 is equal to 10. Okay, now how to write this table in the notebook, I will show you. Now, in notebook you have to write today's date. Write multiplication tables. Give the heading multiplication tables of 1 and write like this way. So, let us see, sing with me. Let us say this table with me and then you have to write in the notebook. See, 0 it has not taken in our textbook, but we are writing here while writing. So, you can write in notebook like this way, and how to write in table notebook, I will share that tables with you at the end of this session. Okay. See, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 six are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10. Like this way you have to say the table and write it in your notebook. And next, you have to write daily these 1 to 10 tables in your separate 200 pages notebook. When school will start, I will take the notebook from you and I will check it. Okay, now let's learn twos table. For twos table, you have to open page number 76. On page number 76, we are building twos table. For twos table, here pair of leaves are taken. Okay, so for 2 leaves, it has written 2. And everywhere 2 leaves are there. And that it has added that many times, we have to write the table. Now 2 leaves it has taken and it is only one time. Okay, one time. So 2 added one time. 1 time 2 is equal to 2. Next, 2 leaves 2 times it is. So 2 added 2 times is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Next, 2 added 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 2 added 3 times. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. You can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one. 2 added 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 2 added 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Next. 2 added 5 times. 2 added 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Next we'll see 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. 2 added 6 times. So 6 times 2 is equal to, it is 12. You can count and see. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 added 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Next one. 2 leaves, it has added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Already given. Next one we'll see. 2 added now 9 times. So we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 into 2 is equal to 18, or 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Okay. Next one. 2 added 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Now we have to write this table here also in the slipping line. Okay. Skip counting by twos. We have 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Now let us write in the notebook also. Write in notebook twos table. Let us say with me. Okay. And write in the notebook. How to say? 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Like this way, say the tables and write. Okay, now I will share these photos. As per that, you have to write in your table notebook. Here is the picture of 2 to 7's table and 8 to 10's tables. You have to write it in your table notebook daily. Okay, students? See you in the next session. Bye bye, everyone. Bye.